Hello, this is Dr. Aniket Venkatram from the Venkat Center for Skin ENT and Plastic Surgery. And today we will be unveiling our new technology, the InMode Embrace RF platform. This is Mr. Ashish, who is from the InMode company, and he will be telling us about this machine, what it is, what it can do, and then we will discuss about why we chose to incorporate this into our practice. So, Mr. Ashish, can you tell us a little bit about this machine? What exactly is it? What does it do?
Yes, sir. Thanks for giving the opportunity to speak about this machine. So this is a very revolutionary device, Embrace RF, which is a bipolar radio frequency device from Israel. And what is the best feature of this device is it addresses the body contouring in a new revolutionary way. So what happens is, like post liposuction, the skin laxity which happens, and whenever you want to get the minimal invasive liposuction, you can address all these issues with this machine. So what is the best feature of this is it also covers all the safety parameters. So this is a bipolar radio frequency device which has the dual sensors, inner and external. So with the help of that, it does the procedure in most safest way.
So, what do you mean by a bipolar radio frequency? What does that mean exactly?
Exactly, sir. So bipolar radio frequency device it means you have the two electrodes at the same port. So there are two type of radio frequency where in the market. One is monopolar and one is bipolar. So in bipolar, you have both the electrodes in your hand. So the electric current flows from inner to outside. So the temperature is not passed through the body. So it is much more safe. The the electric current is not flowing throughout the body.
So basically, this uses radio frequency energy to cause heat, and the heat causes the skin to contract.
Exactly.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
and
sir.
With this machine, you are saying that because it's a bipolar, it is more effective than a unipolar.
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. With this, because the safety has also been addressed with that.
So now this is the
This
cannula,
is the body tight cannula,
which is used to cause the skin tightening. So can you tell us a little bit about how this works?
Yes. So this is a body tight cannula. So we have two type of probe electrode in this, the internal probe and the external probe. So internal probe goes through the inside the skin at subdermal layer, and the outer probe is on the skin. So the best part is when the upper thing is on contact with the skin, and this inner we are working out, the temperature goes, the heat goes from inner to outside. So we get the dual heating from the skin and from inside. So with the help of that, with the heating, we contract the FSN network, and it helps in contraction of the adipose tissue, and it helps in collagen regeneration. At the same time, from external probe also, we does the skin tightening. So it helps in collagen regeneration at the skin level. So you get the best tightening effect with that.
So where all in the body can this be used? Are there different probes for different areas?
Yes, sir. So the best part is that machine can be used from head to toe, anywhere in the body. So absolutely, we have the different type of probes for different part of areas, like for creating a sharp jawline, for face, for upper eyelids, and for neck. We have a face tight and acutite cannula, and which is very precise. And the best part is you get a minimal invasive scarless facelifts and effects with that.
And you mentioned something about the safety features. Can you tell us a little bit more about the safety features?
Yes, sir. Yeah. So the safety is like, as you asked about what is bipolar device. So in this, we are completing the circuit from the two electrodes. So the safety, how it matters the most is we set the temperature in the machine, like we set the 65-degree the internal, and the external around 37-degree cutoff. So whenever we are using the device, we are using it, and the moment the temperature goes beyond that set temperature, the machine will stop its RF energy, and you have to just move to your plane, and then it will start. So in that way, you are never causing any burn to the body. So it is that safe.
All right. And can this be done under local anesthesia?
Yes, Absolutely, yes. It can be done in local anesthesia because it's very safe, and you can do all my lipos under local anesthesia also.
Now, apart from the tightening features of this radio frequency, can the radio frequency energy be used for anything else?
Absolutely. So we have various probes. And that is the best part. Like, it can be used for multi modalities. So you have the skin tightening, and you have the Morpheus, which is again a very revolutionary microneedling RF, Morpheus 8.
So this has microneedles which delivers the energy.
Exactly. So it is what the thing is, like the patients who want a non-surgical phase contraction. So you have the pins which delivers the energy at the FSN network only, at adipose tissue. So it also helps in contraction, and it helps in collagen regeneration. So you can treat at the multiple depths. So if you want to take care of like the tightening, if you want to take care of the skin laxity, so with the single handpiece you can take care of all this
So
indications.
this can also be used for acne scars and things like
Acne
that.
scars, absolutely, yes.
All right, all right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So you heard about what this machine can do. Now, why did we at the Venkat Center decide to incorporate this into our practice? Firstly, and most importantly, this represents something brand new. It creates something that does not exist before. Till now, for skin tightening, you had surgical and non-surgical techniques. Surgical techniques use things like a facelift or an abdominoplasty or an arm lift, wherein you're physically removing skin and stitching it, which leaves long marks. The advantage of this is that it gives really good results. The disadvantage is that it's a major surgery and there are scars. Non-surgical treatment so far only involved using external energy like lasers or radio frequency. The advantage was that it was not a surgery and there was no downtime. The disadvantage was that the results often were a little disappointing and they weren't producing great skin contraction. So this fits in between the surgical and non-surgical treatment. Because you're using this needle that goes inside the skin and this other one on the external surface of the skin, this works differently from anything else. And therefore it produces more results than traditional non-surgical techniques. At the same time, it is not as invasive as surgery. It can be done under local anesthesia. It is not leaving any scars. That is why this is creating a new field. Especially when, for example, after liposuction, people have extra skin, but they don't want to undergo a tummy tuck or something so radical. This is best for that. In the face, there are a lot of people who have some sagging and jowling, but not enough for a facelift, or they don't want a major facelift surgery. And at the same time, the non-surgical treatments don't do much. This works best for that. So this is the main reason why this is something so revolutionary. The second big thing about this is that it can be used in almost all parts of the body. There's an AccuTite which can work for the under eye, there's a FaceTite which can work for the face, and there is a BodyTite for the body. So most other non-surgical treatments can only work on large areas like the body. They are not fine enough to work on the face. So that is the second way in which this is massively better than other machines that are out there. And thirdly, the safety features in this are unparalleled. There is very little chance of complications because there's an internal temperature sensor, an external temperature sensor, and an energy sensor. So the chance of you causing complications such as burns are almost not there. So the advantages are it produces better results than other machines. It can be done under local anesthesia. It is minimally invasive. It is not a full-fledged surgery. So there is very little downtime. And that is why we are confident that this can give great results for our patients. Thank you. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions about this device or any other of our treatments, do get in touch with us. Our information is on the page coming up. Do leave comments on other videos you would like to see. Thank you. Have a great day.